So we got a layer of sheetrock, half-inch sheetrock with no vapor barrier behind it. We've got quarter-inch hardy backer that hasn't been waterproofed. It's clear that they used a V-notch trowel, or maybe even a smaller trowel, which is putting a really, really thin coat of mortar on there, when actually what we need is much more mortar. We need something like a 3/8 inch trowel that's going to put more mortar on there and give us the bond that we're looking for. And so that's why we're tearing it out.